Hello students, I am Dr. Ganesh Patil from Catechism College Nasik. Today we are going to learn examples of compound interest. Let us start. Let us recall first. In last lecture we learned that amount of each successive period becomes the principal of next term. Thus interest of each successive term will go on increasing. Also, we learn the formula of compound interest. Amount of compound interest is equal to A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to N. Also, we learn the compound interest formula. Compound interest is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to N minus 1 bracket complete. Let us start some examples. Example number 5. Find in what time a sum of money will double itself in 8% per annum compound interest. In this problem, we have to find a sum of money, and this sum of money double itself in 8% per annum compound interest. And we have to find that what time a sum of money will double itself. Students, the solution that let P is equal to X. Suppose P be X with the present value. Therefore, if we put P is equal to X, then amount double itself. So amount A is equal to twice X. We have to find what time N is equal to question mark, and the rate of interest is 8% per annum compound interest. We have formula of compounding amount of compound interest. A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to N. We put these values in the formula. Therefore, A is equal to twice X, P is equal to X in bracket 1 plus 8 divided by 100 bracket raised to N. After solving this, the X goes to the left side, then X cancel, therefore 2 is equal to 1 plus 8 divided by 100 bracket raised to N. After solving this, the N goes to the left side, becomes 2 raised to 1 by N is equal to 1 plus 0.08. Therefore, we get 2 raised to 1 by N is equal to 1.08. Taking log of both sides. Solving this equation, we have to use log. Taking log of both sides, and we get 1 by N log 2 is equal to log 1.08. After solving this, N is equal to log 2 divided by log 1.08. We have to find this value by using log table or by using scientific calculator. Student, log 2 is equal to 0.3010 and log 1.08 is equal to 0.0334. After solving this, we get 9.011. Therefore, 9 years approximately. So, after 9 years, a sum of money double itself at 8% per annum compound interest. Okay. Thus, the sum will be double in approximately 9 years. Example number 6. Mr. X borrowed rupees 5,000 at 12% per annum in 7.5 years, compounded quarterly. Find the amount. In this problem, Mr. X borrowed 5,000 rupees at 12% per annum and 7.5 years but compounded quarterly, not yearly. Last problem. In last problem, we have to see that this compounded yearly, but in this problem, we have to solve compound interest quarterly. Okay, let us see the solution. Therefore, let P is equal to 5000, R is equal to 12% per year, per annum. But in this problem, we have to solve compound interest by quarterly. Therefore, 12 by 4. We divided rate of interest by 4. So, R is equal to 3%. N is equal to 7.5 years. 7 years means 28 quarters. 7 into 4. And 6 months means 2 quarters. Therefore, 28 plus 2 is equal to 30 quarters means 30 terms. We have to calculate compound interest by 30 times. Therefore, we have formula A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to N. Put this value in formula and we get 5000 in bracket 1 plus 3 divided by 100 bracket raised to 30. After solving this, we get 5000 in bracket 1 plus 0.03 bracket raised to 30. 5000 in bracket 1.03 bracket raised to 30. 1.03 bracket raised to 30 into 5000. We get 12,136.36. The required amount is 12,136. Student, the amount is 12,136. Okay. Example number 7. Find the compound interest on rupees 5,000 for 4th year. What rate of interest is 12% per annum? Find the compound interest on 5,000 for 4th year when rate of interest is 12% per annum. In this problem, we have to find compound interest. But we have to find compound interest for last year, 4th year, not 4 year. We have to find compound interest 4th year, not 4 year. So calculate carefully. Let us see the solution. Let P is equal to 5000, R is equal to 12 and N is equal to 4th. N is equal to 4th, not 4. The formula of compound interest for nth year is equal to compound interest is equal to PR divided by 100 in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to N minus 1. In this problem, we have to find compound interest for 4 years. We use the formula of amount of compound interest A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to N. But in this problem, we have to find compound interest for 4th year. So, we use this formula PR divided by 100 in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to N minus 1. Put these values in this formula. Therefore, is equal to compound interest is equal to 5000 into 12 divided by 100 in bracket 1 plus 12 divided by 100 bracket raised to 4 minus 1. After solving this, we get 600 in brackets 1.12 bracket raised to 3. After solving this, we get 842.95. So, the required interest in 4th year is 842.95. Okay. Let us see some the objective type questions. Number 1. The interest charge under the simple interest method is the compound interest. High, small, equal, average. The interest charge under the simple interest method is small than compound interest. Is small than compound interest. The simple interest in simple interest and compound interest, the interest charge, the simple interest method is small, means same amount, simple interest, we have to solve the problem in simple interest. The interest is small, and compound interest, same problem we have to solve. Compound interest is high, so the answer is small. Compound interest is calculated by which formula? Formula number 3. P in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to n minus P. Therefore, answer is option number C. P in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to n minus P. The amount of interest charged under compound interest method is dash than simple interest. Higher, smaller, equal, average. And the answer is higher. We explain in question number 1. Higher. Number 4. If interest is charged after every 4 months, is called compounded, monthly, quarterly, half yearly, and yearly. The interest is charged after every 4 months is called compounded, quarterly. Number 5. The compound interest on 10,000 at 10% for 5 years is, and the options are 5,000, 6,501, 6,105, and 10,000. We have used the formula amount of the compound interest E bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to n. Put this value in the formula, we have to get amount, and in this amount we have to add principal amount, and the answer is number C. Compound interest is 6,105. Let us see some true or false examples. Compound interest is used under reducing balance method. This is true. Compound interest is calculated on principal plus accumulated interest. It is also true. Compound interest is given by A minus P. A for amount, P for principal is also true. Compound interest less than equal to simple interest on the same sum for the same period. False, because compound interest is greater than or equal to simple interest. For the first term, both simple interest and compound interest are equal. It is also true. Okay, student, let us remember the amount of compound interest is calculated by A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to n, and the compound interest is calculated by P in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to n minus 1. Okay. Assignment question. In this video lecture, we will solve a problem of compound interest. Find out compound interest on rupees 20,000 for 6 years at 6% per annum compounded yearly, half yearly, and quarterly. Student, we will solve the example of compound interest. In this problem, you will solve compound interest by yearly, by half yearly, and quarterly. We also give the answers of this problem. Okay, we will solve this example, then scan and send to the Google Classroom. Okay, if you have any difficulty, you ask this question on my email address. My email address is ganeshpatil@ktzmcollege.ac.in. Thank you very much.